Hi everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about the supply shift. In the previous video, the supply and demand we have discussed. Now, we will move towards the supply shift. So, the impact of a shift in supply curve on the equilibrium price and quantity. See, the market will be in an equilibrium position at point E. This is the point E. Why I am saying this is the point E means where the original demand curve D and the original supply curve S are intersecting at this point. So this will be the equilibrium position, and where the P will be the equilibrium price and Q will be the equilibrium quantity. Suppose when a market supply curve shifts rightward, see here S is the original supply curve and the supply curve shifted which side? Leftward. The supply curve shifts. See why the supply curve shifts? Previously in one of the videos I have uploaded the factors determining the supply, the factors determining the demand. In that factors determining the supply, the two major factors we have discussed, one is technological progress, the another one is input price are increasing. So in this diagram we can observe the supply curve shifts leftward, that is S1, and here coming to the next diagram, as it said, this S and D where it is intersecting at this point, this will be the original equilibrium, and equilibrium price will be P, equilibrium quantity will be Q. Okay, and here this point which is indicating in the both the cases the equilibrium position. So here the new supply curve is shifting leftward, and in this it is shifted towards the rightward. So rightward the supply curve is shifting. So let us see what happens when it is shifting to the supply right side and the left side, how the quantity and the prices are changing. Here you have to notice the direction of the change in price and quantity are opposite whenever there is a shift in supply curve. So whenever the supply curve is shifting either leftward or rightward, when the curve is shifting, there is a opposite direction. The direction of quantity and supply are in opposite direction. There is a shift in a supply curve. Okay, let us consider the situation where all other things remaining constant. See, we have many factors which is determining the supply. In that we have taken only the increase in the price of inputs and the technological progress. See, we'll see now increase in the price of an input used in the production of a commodity. This will increase the marginal cost. So when the price of inputs increases, when the price of input increases, so here the marginal cost also will be increases, production of the firm using this input. Therefore at each price the market supply will be less than before. Because the prices are increasing at this situation, the market supply will be less than before. So the supply curve shifts towards the leftward. Got it? And here shift in the supply curve, what was happening when it is shifting to the leftward means the demand curves remain unchanged. There is no change in the demand. Only the supply is shifting to the rightward. Earlier also when the supply is S, the demand was same. Now the supply curve is shifted to the leftward. This is left side of the supply curve. The demand is remaining unchanged. That means same, constant. So what has happened at this point you have to understand. So here when the supply curve shifted to the leftward, it is taking a new equilibrium point. It is taking a new equilibrium point. When the new equilibrium point is achieved, the price is increased from P to P1 and the quantity supply decreases from Q to Q1. So it is decreasing from Q to Q1. So now let us see The another diagram, the next one. Okay, so the supply curve here, I said the supply curve shifted towards the leftward and the demand curve remains unchanged. Here in the another diagram you can observe that S and D is the original supply curve. So this is a point of equilibrium. At that point the price was P, equilibrium price, the equilibrium quantity was Q. Okay, when due to the technological progress, when it increases, when technological progress increases, marginal cost will reduce. So when marginal cost reduces, here the price of the commodity will be good. So here what will happen means, when the new equilibrium, when the supply shifts to the rightward, this is S1 is a supply curve shifted towards the rightward due to the technological progress. So when the supply curve shifted to the rightward, new equilibrium point take place, that is E1. Okay, at that time what will happen means, the price from P to P1 it reduces. The price is reduced from P to P1 when the new equilibrium point took place. Okay, the price will be decreased due to the technological progress. At that time marginal cost will reduce, the price also will be reduced from P to P1. Now the quantity supplied from original Q, it increases to Q. That is what I said. Here you have to notice the direction of change in price. The price change from P to P1, here the price has been, here it is decreased, here the price have been increased. When the change in the price and quantity are opposite, so when the price increases here, the quantity is decreased here. And here when the price have been decreased, the quantity have been increased in the supply concept when there is a shift in a supply curve. So this is all about supply in the shift in the supply curve. Next we will see the simultaneous shifts of demand and supply. So in the previous video I have explained shift in the demand curve. In today's video I am explaining about shift in the supply curve. Now the topic is simultaneous shift. At the same time both the demand and supply shifts, what will happen? There are four possibilities. What happens when both demand and supply curve shift simultaneously at the same time? Okay, the simultaneous shifts can be happen in four possible ways. Okay, so what are the four possible ways? The first is both supply and demand curve shifts rightward. Both supply and demand curve will shift rightward. Okay, so simultaneously when the demand and supply curves are shifting, which direction means it is shifting towards the rightward. Secondly, both supply and demand curve shifts leftward. Number 3, supply curve shifts leftward and demand curve shifts rightward. So what is the fourth one? Supply curve shifts rightward and demand curve shifts leftward. Okay, these are the four possible ways that the demand and supply curve shifts at the same time. Now we will discuss this one by one. Actually I don't get the exact schedule and the diagram to explain this, so from the textbook itself I captured it, so just I want you all to listen. So here the impact of simultaneous shift on equilibrium. So what I said, that is given in the form of a schedule. Okay, so the first possibility is the demand curve shifting leftward, and how previously I have explained in some different videos about shift in the demand curve, shift in the supply curve, how the quantities are changing, how the price is changing. Okay, so in the first one, shift in demand, when the shift demand curve and the supply curve shifts leftward, what will happen to the quantity means the quantity will decreases. Okay, when demand and supply curve shifts leftward, what will be the changes in the price means the price may increase or decrease or it will remain unchanged. Okay, so for this just I'll show you one pic here. Okay, so in this the supply curve is shifting towards the leftward. Here the supply curve shifting towards the rightward. Have you understood? Okay, the demand curve is remaining same. Now my concept is, first one I told you, both the supply and demand curve shifting leftward. See, in this diagram the supply curve shifted to the leftward. Okay, the demand curve shifted to the leftward. Okay, you observe the diagram carefully. When the supply curve shifted leftward and demand curve shifted leftward, what will happen to the quantity? Okay, the quantity is reduced. Okay, earlier this was the equilibrium price, now it is decreased to this point, that means the quantity is reduced from Q1 to Q2. Okay, from this point to this point the quantity have been reduced. But what happened to the prices? Either the price may increase or it may decrease or it may remain constant. Is it clear? So now we'll move towards the second and third one. Now you can look to this. I think I hope you understood how this concept is I'm explaining with the help of it. So the second possibilities are the demand curve shifts rightward, supply curve shifts rightward. So when the demand and supply curve shifting rightward means, for example here I draw the curve. So this is the supply curve, this is the demand curve, supply and demand curve. Now the concept is demand curve shifting rightward. This is the demand, so this is the right side. I'll mention that D1. So it is shifted to the demand curve, shifted to the demand curve shifted right side. So this green line indicating the rightward, D1 shifted, and supply curve shifting again rightward. So this is the right side of a supply curve. So when the demand and supply intersect, this is the equilibrium point. Okay, so this is the price and quantity. Now when the new curve shifted, when the demand curve shifted to the rightward, when the supply curve shifting to the rightward of the supply curve, here the supply and the demand is intersecting at this point. Okay, at this point here the new equilibrium price takes place. Okay, now you observe that what happened to the quantity? The quantity have been increased from Q to Q1. Have you understood? And what about the price? P1. So the price, either the price may increase or price may decrease or it will remain constant. Is it clear? Now the third one we'll see, that is the demand curve shifts leftward and the supply curve shifts rightward. So now the quantity will either it may increase or decrease or remain unchanged. What happened to the price means the price will decrease. Now we'll see how the curve is taking place. Okay, now example, this is the demand curve, this is the supply curve. So this is supply and this is the demand. This is the point of equilibrium. So equilibrium price is P, equilibrium quantity is Q. Okay, now the demand curve shifting leftward. This is the demand curve. Shifting leftward means the demand curve shifting leftward, and supply curve shifting rightward. Rightward means this is the rightward. Okay, now where the demand curve, supply curve intersect at this point. This is E2. The equilibrium, second, again equilibrium price will be P2 and equilibrium quantity will be same Q. Okay, so you can observe here what happened to the price. The price have been decreased. Price from P to P2, the price have been decreased. What happened to the quantity then? Here the point is either the quantity may increase or decrease, or it can remain constant. Here the quantity is remaining constant. Got it? Now we'll see another one. Now the fourth one is the demand curve shifting rightward, the supply curve shifting leftward. Okay, the quantity at this situation, the quantity may increase or decrease or remain unchanged. The price will increase. Now we'll see with the help of a diagram. Okay, so this is the supply curve, this is the demand curve, supply and demand curve. Okay, so this is a point of equilibrium, this is the price and this is quantity. Now in the fourth one, the demand curve shifts rightward. So the demand curve shifts rightward, D1, D1, and supply curve shifts leftward. So supply curve shifts leftward. Okay, S1, S1. This is a new equilibrium situation. So where the demand and supply, new demand curve and the new supply curve, when they intersect, this is the point of E2. The quantity remains unchanged, the price have been, this is P2. Okay, here you can observe the price here at the fourth situation, price is increasing to P2 and quantity may increase, the quantity may increase or it may decrease or it will remain constant. So at this point it is remaining constant, unchanged. This is the impact of simultaneous shift in a equilibrium. Okay, you will get for 4 marks, 2 marks question and the 6 mark question from this topic. So do listen carefully. Now this concept is explained with the help of a diagram. Okay, so in this diagram already I explained you. So 4 things have been given. Number 1, both supply and the demand curve shifts leftward. Number 2, supply and demand curve shifts rightward. And third, supply shifts rightward and demand shifts leftward. Fourthly, supply shifts leftward and demand curve shifts rightward. This is the concept. Okay, the same thing have been explained here. The only in this actually 4 diagram, here I am explaining only the 2 diagram. Okay, 2 diagram is that is taken second and the third concept. So this is the second one, this is the third one. Okay, so what is the second one? So demand curve will shift to the leftward. Okay, so demand curve shifting to the leftward, this is the one. Okay, and once again here you can observe the diagram. So D naught and S naught is the original supply and demand. Here the demand curve shifted, in this demand curve shifted rightward and supply curve shifted rightward. Okay, both, actually this is the second one. Okay, so both demand and supply shifted towards the rightward. Okay, so when both are shifted rightward, what happened to the quantity means the quantity is increasing. Okay, from Q to Q1. And what about the price means the price may increase or it may decrease or it remains the same. Okay, that is the second in the simultaneous shift, the second point is given. And here this diagram which is indicating here the demand curve is shifting leftward and supply curve shifting the rightward. Okay, here in this diagram it is shifting rightward. So what is happening to the quantity means the quantity either it may increase or decrease or it remains same. It is remaining same. But what happened to the price here means the price is increasing from here to here, from P to P1 the prices increases. That is the diagram which is depicting the impact of simultaneous shift in both demand and supply curve. Thank you for watching. If any doubt just clarify from me. Thank you.